Well, here she is, riding her little SUV around the block. You're doing good, Sophia. You're doing good, honey. Just don't go on the road, okay? Yeah, you're doing a good job. Doing a good job. All right, watch out for the people. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I always wanted a Jeep.
Yeah. All right. Cutting the rug, aren't we? About spraying the tires on all that concrete back there. What? I didn't hear you.
Is that a bunny right there?
Oh, bunny rabbit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is that a bunny rabbit?
Yeah, it's a wild bunny rabbit.
I can't bite it?
No, you don't want to mess with the wild ones.
Why?
Well, sometimes they carry diseases we just don't know where they've been. Any kind of wild animal we should not mess with. Any kind of wild animals we should not mess with.
Well, I pet some Ava.
Well, Ava's domestic.
No.
She's a domestic kitty cat.
Yeah, and I can pet her too.
Yeah, and you do a good job.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Yep, the bugs are starting to come out because it's getting to be, I don't know, I guess night they come out or more often, I don't know.
The bees.
I think they hide in the heat.
The bees are in my car.
Yeah, we gotta be careful with the bees now. What?
Hello, rabbit.
Yeah, there's a little rabbit.
The rabbit is following me.
Yeah. Yeah, he's probably going home to see his mom and dad.
Yeah, and her babies.
Yeah, and the babies.
And can pop too.
Yeah. Okay.
Exercise.
Yeah, got exercise. This money I spent on this SUV was like well worth it. All right, get back on the sidewalk. Here, let me help you. All right, there you go. Give it the gas. Push the gas pedal. Good job.
No, it's not better now.
Well, keep moving over. Give it the gas.
No,
And
you
steer
need to
it.
help
No, I'm not going to help no more.
Well,
You need to learn it on your own.
no,
Are you gonna? What are you gonna do, Ek? You gonna start crying? What are you crying for? Oh,
you fix it.
Okay.
Fix it.
Okay, here you go. There you go. Now you're on the concrete all the way.
Crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. She's all girl, that's for sure. Little bit on the prissy side, I think, because she can be demanding. Oh, what are you gonna do? Run into the tree? You're supposed to steer the vehicle so you don't hit no trees. Okay, now here we go. There you go. Give it the gas. There you go.
Again.
What?
You need to move it again.
Again?
Yeah,
You're, ah, boy.
again.
Okay,
Do it.
I'll do it. But this, you know what? You keep messing with this deal, we're going to head to the house, okay? Because, you know, this is not right. Now give it the gas. There you go. All right. There she goes. Rolling along. All right, to the next episode.